Hey guys, today I got a cab high fiberglass Astro truck cap. Fits the 02 to 08 Ram, Dodge Ram, full-size truck. Silver in color, probably PS2 silver, but I'm not sure. It doesn't give me a paint code. So it does have mostly problems with this is just clear coat peel. You can see through here, get to the top, we have a lot of clear coat peel through there, all the way through the top. A lot of clear coat peeling on the top. That's mostly what's wrong with that. A couple nicks in the corner right there, but not bad. Has a small nick on the bottom edge right there. And down the side, a little scratch, oops, a little scuff mark down the side on that trim edge there. A little bit of a paint issue right there on the top of that trim edge. Really not bad. You can see there's some clear coat peel there on the corner there as well. Does have the quarter side sliders on the side. Sliding window in the front. Front looks nice. The top edge, I mean, you can see all the clear coat peel on the top there as well still. Just have a wear mark right there. Looks like probably hit the back of the cab or something. Just wore right there. Bottom edge under the window. Looks good. No paint issues there. Sliding window in the front. Slides open. I'm a little stiff. Let me see if I can get it. There it goes. A little stuck. Sliding window opens up so you can access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. Close that back up. Needs to be used a little bit. Clear coat peel on the top on this side as well. Down through here. It's mostly just paint issues on this one. A little bit of scuff on the trim edge underneath the Astro logo. Little mark on the trim edge there as well. And a little mark there on the edge on the trim edge there as well. A couple chips right there. That's really it. Quarter side slider on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. Got some clear coat issues back here on the back edge as well. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Screen's got a small hole right there in it. Couple small spots right there. Really not horribly bad. A small hole right there is tip as well. Looks pretty clean in here, so it doesn't look like it really leaks much. If it leaks at all. Small hole in the screen there. Serial number. Right there. It's upside down, but you should be able to figure it out. So there it is. Astro cab high. Probably the CR 1800 if I had to guess. It's been so long since I've sold Astro caps, but cab high fiberglass, fits the 2002 to 2008 Dodge Ram. Full-size trucks with a 6'4" bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, you can see which location it is, how much it is. You can purchase it online and make arrangements to pick it up online. That could all be done there, so that link there below. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder rack, deck units, things like that, you can purchase those online there through that link there. If you're looking for something specific for your truck and you want to keep up to date on what's coming in, you'll want to subscribe below. We upload to YouTube and our website as soon as we get inventory in, so that'll keep you notified of that. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.